say thank you to everyone for coming along, obviously to our press conference for the live SP.io Reyes Cup. What a special, special day tomorrow is going to bring, the second year of the Reyes Cup. And obviously I just want to say a personal thank you to Puig Poyet for believing in this event. Last year was one of the most remarkable weeks I've ever experienced in my life when we launched the Reyes Cup. Puig has believed in this event, he's been waiting for it to happen, and without his support, as well as Efren, we wouldn't have got this over the line. And for years we've had Europe versus USA, and for the first time ever we have an invitational event for Team Asia. And for us to really show the world just how incredible they are so damn incredible, we've had to change the entire format just to make it competitive. Yeah. So we've gone from Europe to Team Rest of the World just because they were so great last year. But also I want to send my thanks to Signal TV. Their HQ here is incredible. There's a studio set up here for the press conference. I'd love to have this in the UK. But obviously both to Miguel and Gerard for setting this up. The production's coming along really well at the arena. You're going to have such a special, special treat when we kick off tomorrow night. And for us to be running from Thursday through to Sunday, it's going to be so wild in that arena. The fans are going to love it. If you haven't been able to come along, you can watch it at home. Obviously, all the different platforms that are available here in the Philippines, it is accessible to all. And the viewing figures from last year were exceptional. And I'm sure we're going to beat them again this year.
Pinik up ko si AJ kasi siya yung youngster natin na player. Ay magaling naman siya. Oh, nakikita ko naman siya pag-tournament, magaling siya. Kaya siya ang kinuha ko maglaro dito sa Reyes Cup. Saka kasama naman niya sina yung mga dating player natin, mga world champion. Susuportahan naman siya. At isa na ako doon.
Friend Carlo, pangalawang sabak mo na ulit sa Reyes Cup. Siguro ano lang masabi na yung title defense niyo mas mahirap na kasi andyan na si Gor sa lineup ng rest of the world.
Medyo mabigat yung laban niya kasi nandiyan si Fedor Gors at andyan din si Jason, si Epesan, si Moritz at saka yung ibang player. Mabigat ang laban namin ngayon pero gagawin namin kung ano yung dapat namin gawin. Kung ano yung ginawa namin last year, ganun pa rin ang setup. So teamwork, kailangan teamwork at teamwork at suporta sa isa't isa.
Carlo, nakalaban mo na dati si Fedor Gors. Ano yung feeling na ito na naman makakalaban mo siya? And this time may dagdag na Team Asia yung hawak mo, not just Philippines.
Medyo may pressure kasi iba yung single event sa team event. So tapos ang race is race to 5 lang. So nakaka-pressure po itong game ko. Pero sa akin, dahil sa dami ng experience ko sa mga international events, nandun yung pressure pero kaya ko i-handle. So ang gagawin na lang namin, yung teamwork na rin.
Makakatulong din sa'yo siguro na yung familiarity mo with him, lalo na recent lang din yung laban.
Oo naman, makakatulong. Napakalaking tulong. So kailangan lang talaga teamwork.
Django, ano siguro po yung sinasabi niyo sa mga players mo, lalo na dito kay AJ na mas bata nga, heading into a big tournament like this?
Basta sabi ko sa kanila, parang yung regular na tournament lang, huwag silang pressure. And alam mo naman to kasi nakataya dito karangalan. So sabi ko sa kanila, basta relax lang kayo, basta kung ano yung ginagawa ninyo sa tournament, yun lang gawin ninyo rito, kayo ma-pressure. At lahat naman ng Team Asia, nakasuporta kami lahat sa isa't isa.
AJ, kamusta naman yung pakikipag-practice mo kasama sina Kuya Carlo mo, si Aloysius and all yung mga legends na makakasama mo dito sa Team Asia? Kamusta yung practice?
Malaking bagay para sa akin na maka-practice sila makasama ko sa Team Asia. So excited na ako para sa rest.
Carlo, how big of an addition is AJ dito? Ganong laki yung difference na
si AJ, future world champion natin yan. Napakalaking bagay niyan sa Reyes Cup dahil siya yung tinututukan ng mga tao ngayon, lalo na sa mga kabataan dahil napakagaling ng bata na to. So napakalaking tulong sa kanya to, itong exposure na ganito para mag-improve pa lalo yung game niya. Pero napakagaling ng bata na to, so hindi ako nag-aalala sa kanya.